is Kayla, and I'm back with another video.
Hello. It's one thing.
Eye doctor right now. Oh my god, I look so ugly. I hate getting my eyes dilated. It's so bright, and I can't see. My eyes hurt. These glasses are so ugly. What the heck? I'm about to get in the car so I can show y'all how dilated and ugly my pupils are. Everything's so bright. Can y'all see that? Oh my god, it hurts to open my eyes. I can't even. Oh, Jesus. Oh, this is terrible. Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, we're vlogging?
Yeah,
oh,
we're
look
vlogging
at us
today.
with our matching hair.
Oh,
I never put my hair up, and the one day that I do,
yeah.
I can't tell the difference between your pupils and your iris.
Exactly. Oh, these are so much. I look so much better.
Ew.
So ugly.
I think it's a look.
It's not a look. So I'm about to go get my car detailed, and I'm about to go follow Paula. We're going to Costco. Because we're going to eat. And I changed my sunglasses. Thank you, Paula, because I was looking a hot mess. I also am going to look at glasses because they want to charge me $300 at my eyeglasses place. And I think I can get them at Costco for like $200. Let's save $100. Yes, sir. Because I also have to get contacts. So, yes. And we're in her car because my car is getting detailed right now. This is the first time getting detailed since I got it. Mom got that car in 2004 and it has not been professionally cleaned since we got the car. So 14 years, as long as it took The Incredibles to come out. Oh, I kind of like these. She's helping me glasses shop.
I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't wear glasses. Your local crackhead that's helping you shop for glasses.
Boom, 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 boom. Just ordered glasses. Paula's on the phone. But I just ordered glasses, thank God. I hadn't gotten new glasses since my senior year of high school, which was 4 years ago. Thank God I got some new ones because your girl couldn't see. I still can't see because my eyes are still dilated. So I'm still blind. I'm still wearing these glasses and it's been like 4 hours. But I think my car's ready. So we're gonna go see if it's ready from being detailed. Ooh. She is a cute new baby now. Like, her seats are so clean. She was not this clean before, y'all. Like, I wish I took a before video, but I didn't. Like, oh my god, y'all don't know. And she's about to get this changed. Okay, y'all, so this is Hello Kitty, right? Since she's mine now, she's about to get Rick and Morty. Gang, gang, gang. Oh my god, I'm literally sweating trying to take this cover off. I've been here for like 15 minutes. And welcome on. I'm trying to take the old Hello Kitty one off. I'm really out of breath. And I'm sweating. But I just want to put the new one on. I can't do it. Oh my god. Mama's help. She's cutting it off. We were both told. Well, she's trying. Go, Mama. I think you gotta cut it more. Mama. There's me. Ew! Go, Mama. Yeah! Yay! Ooh. Oh god. This thing is like 403 years old. See ya. Hello Kitty steering wheel. We got it in 2011. It's been on the steering wheel for 7 years. Like, bye. Got it. I'm out of breath again. Do you know how difficult it was to put this thing on? Like, cause it fits so snug. It was so hard to put on, but I got it. And it's so cute. It looks so much better than the old one. The old one was toe up. But I'm so happy. I also got a new radio put in my car. As you can see, there's 2 radios. But this one, we don't use. This is the old radio up here. But it doesn't play music, as you can see. One down here. It's connecting to my phone. It is connected to my phone. So, yeah. It really took me 15 minutes to put that steering wheel on. Like, oh, she locked me out the house too. Mama. Oh, Lord. Okay, so I thought I was done leaving the house for today, but I've just been summoned to go to Target. It took me so long to put this on, and I just don't really appreciate that, but whatever. Like, Like, she wants me to drive my car somewhere, I'll drive it. Like, I'm not gonna say no. Why is what she's asking for not here? My mom asked for Pam with butter. How is that the only thing that's not up here? I can't. Here I am, still having dilated eyes, but still shopping for myself. I deserve a drink. I'm gonna get some beer. Do I need these Funko Pops? Like, and the Rick and Morty keychain or not? Like, yes, I want them, but do I need them? That's the real question. You know what, let's go check the price. Let's do it. Get what? I've been in Target for like 30 minutes and I still haven't made a decision. Do I want the Funko Pops or not? It's really not that difficult, but it is that difficult when you're Kayla and you can't make decisions when it comes to your obsessions, Stranger Things, and Rick and Morty. Like, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna be strong and get it next time because I don't need to be spending the money right now because I'm trying to get my Disneyland pass. There we go, Kayla. Your priorities are straight. You cannot be the only one that comes to Target and makes stupid purchases, like makes excuses to purchase things. I can't be the only one. I live 3 blocks away from Target too, so like that doesn't help. Like, I never knew I needed new pillows. Alright, y'all, so I just got home. I am so tired. I just want to like sit down and watch movies. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't really vlog. I want to kind of do it more. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, please turn on post notifications. Please share my channel with your friends. Your girl's trying to grow more and I'm about to start school, so we're gonna be doing some lady videos soon. And I will see y'all next time with another video. Deuces, see.